7%. I didn't hear you say that.
I didn't say it out loud. I texted it.
You texted it? We have zero service. Zero service.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
You've been waiting a while.
We already had lunch.
I did too.
And
Okay,
okay,
good.
then
Then
that's
we're
good.
good
Then we're good.
Yeah.
I just didn't. We were just discussing it. I know the other day we said it, but we didn't say it today, and I just wanted to make sure. So, we're just gonna go.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right.
Yeah, I stopped at the top of the hill.
And had lunch.
Because I figured, well, I was hoping that you got my text. Because about a mile and that was a sneaky hill.
Oh, that was a piece of shit.
That was nasty.
And then
That was nasty. We all had the exact same thoughts. That one fake top.
Yeah.
You came around there and it's like, oh shit. And then, just as you see the downhill for truck sign, it gets steeper for half a mile.
Yeah. Yeah, I rode part of it.
Did you? Good for you.
But man, it didn't take long.
Yeah.
There was kind of a couple of not quite as steep places. Those two RTs went by again, didn't they?
Yes, they did, the other direction. And then there were two other ones that went by too.
Oh, there were? Oh, I didn't see them.
I meant to take my hat off.
He was getting all slobbery. Where's my hat? I'll never forget myself.
That's how I was feeling, making you guys wait, and that's why I was hoping you got the text.
No, we were just having that discussion. We were like, it's not raining. It's beautiful. I mean, we're out in the beautiful country, so.
Well, you guys were pedaling up that hill, which means that you didn't stop and turn around and look back at the lake.
We did.
Oh, you
We
did?
did, yes.
Yeah,
Took
just
some pictures.
That last curve just before the lake would disappear.
Yeah.
I stopped and I got a couple pictures of the lake.
Yeah,
That was neat.
mine was, I don't know, I think it was that first bridge thing. So you guys were, the first bridge, you guys were behind me, and then I stopped and got off, because those grooves were making a weird noise, and I thought
when you're crossing the bridge?
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
same here. I was like, what, I got a flat? I've got a flat?
I thought the exact same thing. I almost stopped to look at my rear tire.
Yeah, I did stop. I think it was the next bridge I stopped just to look around and
Yeah.
Oh man, what a picture.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
good. That was
I
good.
took a picture of that. I took a couple of them. There were some rocks that, if you use a lot of imagination, looked like people.
Oh, I did not use my imagination.
I'll show you the picture. Yeah, it was 5 miles.
Yep. Yeah. So we still got, we got some climbing to do.
Yeah. Well, it was 25, now it's 24. But we still got some more down to go.
We got some more down.
We got a quarter of a mile.
Till it goes down some
Till
more.
it goes to 7%.
7%.
Yeah. Let's do this.
Did you guys put on your windbreaks for the downhill?
I was very sweaty
I
on
had
that for that hill right there.
I had my windbreak and my vest on. I was glad.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see ya.
Okay. Anyway, my text said, I'll see you at camp, is what it said. So if you lose me again, I'll see you at camp.
Okay, on the reservation at the casino.
Yeah. Leaving Caballo. This is a movie picture, so you can move.
Oh, what?
I can't take them anywhere.
So we're getting on. So this is we're getting to go.
Yeah.
Okay. Strava's running.
Gotta give you
It's 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Eating time.
Bright and early.
We'll see you in a couple hours.
Couple hours.
Couple.
Couple.
How about 1 hour?
1 hour. 20 miles. We're gonna be going 20 miles an hour.
You might.
I have to go to the bathroom. Are we there yet?